UNIDROIT, l'Istituto internazionale per l'unificazione del diritto privato, guarda all'Africa e lo fa con l'approssimarsi del centenario della sua fondazione nel 2026, proponendo nuovi corsi di formazione per giuristi provenienti dal continente. Ben 17 i paesi rappresentati nell'iniziativa, tenuta nella sede di Roma dell'organizzazione multilaterale presso Villa Aldo Brandini dal 19 giugno al 7 luglio.
Well, UNIDROIT has, as you very well said, 65 member states, but 65 member states which cover over 74% of the world population and more than 90% of the world GDP. So it's a very large global constituency, and we're very proud of that because, as you just rightly suggested, we are approaching our 100 years. And the thing is, notwithstanding this large membership and global approach of the organization, unfortunately, Africa remains the part of the world where we have fewer member states. We have currently 4 of them, all very important countries. We have Nigeria, we have South Africa, we have Egypt and Tunisia. But having said that, Africa is a large continent, and we really would like to increase our presence in Africa. It's absolutely strategic for us.
Ne parliamo con alcuni dei partecipanti.
Was it somehow a Pan-African class in a way? Would you say that?
Yes, I would definitely say that. It was really nice to see how we agree on so many things and disagree on a few things, but at the same time we all have a similar mindset based on whether you practice common law or civil law. So yeah, Pan-African everything.
It was a combination of a dialogue between the participants from the African countries that were here and the UNIDROIT presenters. In a sense, it was, the UNIDROIT instruments and principles being introduced to us, and we engaged with it from the perspective of our various countries. So yes, it was a dialogue in a sense, vis-a-vis the different countries, with each other and with the UNIDROIT instruments. So it was quite engaging.
Somalia is going to integrate economically with regional and international partners. And now Somalia is going to be back to the international arena. It is not possible for us to attract or to create an enabling environment for international investment and some international partnership without updating or reforming our commercial contract and even trade laws.
Secondo UNIDROIT, armonizzare le regole può creare sviluppo. Lo sguardo è rivolto al centenario del 2026, ma anche oltre, al 2030, quando la comunità internazionale dovrà misurare i risultati raggiunti rispetto agli obiettivi di sviluppo sostenibile dell'agenda ONU.